Hi, welcome to our course on XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP is a powerful new feature which has recently been launched by Microsoft, which is going to act as a replacement of VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, and LOOKUP. And this powerful feature actually combines all the best that these three functions have to offer us, along with a host of other very, very powerful new functionalities. So I congratulate you on being one of the early adopters of this feature, and hope that during this course you will have a lot of fun learning with us and be able to immediately apply this knowledge to your work in real life. So while it would be great if you have some comfort in Excel, there is absolutely no need for you to have any prior knowledge of the lookup functions. This course has been designed to be very, very beginner friendly. Every single concept in this course is going to be explained to you in a very, very practical way, and we will be sharing the data set that we use to illustrate the examples with you so that you can follow along with us step by step. And we hope that by the end of this course, you will have enough knowledge to immediately apply this to your real world scenarios. So without wasting any more time, let's get started.